Sturmey Archer twist shifter cable replacement. First thing you'll need to do is shift the shifter into gear 3. This feeds the cable all the way out. Then you'll need to move the shifter out to the end of the handlebar. This is a 3mm pinch bolt. This allows you to access the two tabs and press them slightly inward, and that will release the grip. Remove the cable exit dust cap and slide out the cable spool and remove the cable. It is not necessary to pull this all the way apart, but often the indicator ring will come dislodged, and so will the spring. The spring has a little hook on one side and a little leg on the other. The leg goes right here. Like so. And there's a little spot right here for the cable gear shift indicator. So that's the assembly. You can thread in a new cable into the hole and then through into the shifter body. And slide the shifter body down, and this little curved section on the index spring engages gear number 3, which is right here. So there's 3 notches. The one most clockwise, as we're viewing it, is number 3. Make sure the cable is pulled tight. Use a plastic compatible grease on the index spring and the notches and on the cable exit. If you don't have special grease, you can use petroleum jelly. Then the grip, there's a tab on the grip here that engages right behind the spring and snaps into place. Then you test the shift action, and then you're done.